Kā katru vakaru Pullman VIP pasākumu, kas šodien ir izbraukuma pasākums, ir ar kādu tēmu. Un šoreiz tēma ir harmonija. Jo tas tieši man personīgi vairāk asociējās ar Šveici. Jo, ja goda viesis ir no Šveices, tad harmonija, Alpu gaiss, tas ir tas, kas ir šī vakara tēma. Šī vakara vīns būs mazliet tālāk no Alpu reģiona, bet Itālija.
Now we will start with the basics, because I know that very different levels of knowledge about the wine, because you are focusing on a bridge. We are taking the wine journey to Piemonte in some kind of easy way.
So what we are getting ready for is this year the Champions Cup, and then next year the big event, European National Team Championships, will be held in Riga. And then following the National Team Championships, also the same venue will host the Youth Bridge Championships immediately after.
And today we had the first day of our executive board meeting. We already signed the contract for next year, the big thing, the European National Team Championships. About 100 teams will come to Riga. It's an example of how small bridge federations should grow.
Paldies, ka uzaicinājāt mani paplašināt redzeskolu. Man jau lejās recepcijā prasīja, kur man jāiet, man jau lika iet tur, kur profesionāli tur spēlē lejā.
Thanks for inviting me to this party. I would like to say that I saw the beach, even if it's a bit cold and things, and it looks like a really wonderful place, a wonderful tournament. Thank you for organizing it, and I wish everybody a good evening and a good wine tasting.
Nebbiolo, and you can compare the color. There is no usage of any oak.
Lai personificētu sevī harmoniju, labākais, kas varētu to muzikālā izpildījumā parādīt, ir klasika Elizabete Lāce.
Elizabete Lāce will be playing our
un Jānis Rinkulis Čels. Lūdzu, aplausi! Kā jau katru brīdža baudījumu vakaru, mums ir arī īpašu brīdža lietu izsoli. Tā naudiņa, kas tiks iegūta no izsoles, aiziet faktiski jauniešu atbalstam. Šodien izsolē ir divas īpašas lietas, ir komplekts. Par vienu, kas ir vīns, es gribu, lai pastāsta Jānis Kumsārs.
Auction wine is Barolo from producer Cogno, and Barolo, as you know, is the same grape, Nebbiolo, but produced in a region of village Barolo.
Speciāli šim vakaram radīta mākslinieces Ievas Liepiņas grafika, kas ir uz audekla brīdža dāmas. Pirmā sākuma cena ir 200 eiro.
500.
Okay, 600.
700.
750.
750 eiro vienu reizi, 750 eiro divas reizes, 750 eiro trīs reizes pārdot.
Has organized together with Janis fireworks for
Jā.